Hello everyone, welcome to day 12 of Advent of Spring Boot. I hope you enjoy it. And today's video will be about SpringDoc OpenAPI. Let me switch to white screen, yeah, cool. And we're going to use the 2.7.0 version, and it's a way to document our API with the URL Swagger-like. So it supports the stack web and Webflux, and let's see how we could use it. Cool. Let's copy and paste it in a POM. Okay, let's project. Let's run it. Yeah. Okay. I have an error because I have something called WebUI for AI purposes. So let's switch port. So we are currently using the default port 8080. So let's switch that to 8181. Let's restart our application. Let's see how it goes. Let's write 8080. And we have something. But as you can see, no operation defined in spec, and I will tell you why. It's because I chose to use router function, but it's okay for REST controller. I guess I'm going to try to contribute it to add the router function. So because we are not using any REST controller, we define our routes through a bean. It doesn't work. So let's see how it goes if we add a controller. So let's stop our application. Let's add a test controller. It's going to be a REST controller. And we're going to use request mapping. For the one who just follow from today, you can switch back to day 2 to see the REST controller. We switch after on day 3. Request mapping. We use API for the first one, so let's call it API 2. I'm always good at naming. Let's use gate mapping. Let's use and let's return string. No. And I guess it's complete. Let's save an application. And you can see, we see our endpoint. It's a get. You can see the get mapping. P2, P2, hello, hello. For more information, there is no parameter and it returns a string. So that's cool. And I guess, what can I show you a bit more about that? Switch, as you can see, it uses support Webflux. We can secure it. Oh, support Webflux. Let's see what it does. I guess now from Swagger, actuator is hidden, but we could have it be shown in the doc. So let's see how it goes. clue. Yeah, it's not working. No, I guess I don't have actuator. That's why I can't fit. Okay, actuator, we'll see it in another day. It's a way of start actuator, boot, and refresh application. But I don't want to dive too much in Spring Boot actuator. We'll see it in another day. Oops, it hasn't started yet. Cool. As you can see, we see endpoint default from actuator, and we have information that we could try to get some information from the actuator endpoint. That's cool. Let's see a bit more. We can change port, actuator, function. We could custom function. No, this is not Kotlin. Export. Here. Right. Cool. I guess it's gonna be it for today. But tomorrow we will see a bit more about documentation with a way of documenting our API regardless of our stack, technological stack, and it generates OpenAPI spec and also ASCII documentation, so that will be pretty cool. So for today, that's it. Let's switch back to the screen. Thank you for following me on this adventure of Spring Boot, and I hope to see you tomorrow for day 13. Peace.